was a loner. I don't think he wanted to be involved with other artists. I don't think he wanted to join any club. He worked during the day as a rent collector, and he worked prolifically at night, every night of his life for years and years and years and years. So he was a serious artist, not a naive artist or a Sunday painter. He was incredibly talented. He got it because, as a rent collector, he saw different people. He knocked on the door. Some people had money, some people had no money. There was beggars in the street. There was sort of, in those days, there was all sorts of characters walking around. And the mills were in Manchester, and people did come from the mill and go from the mill. And I just think that he picked on an area that he enjoyed. I think the people were interesting to him, and I think he liked them, to be honest with you. He was an observer. And he never took photographs. Everything was from memory. He might have done a sketch, and then afterwards he'd done a painting. I mean, with all the detail. And you can see from the works where they're all over the place. They're not just in Manchester, they're in Bolton, they're in the Lake District, they're in the north of England. I mean, he did move around. He travelled a lot, more than what people thought he did, with friends and with other people, you know.